After your CUET PG examination, are you still wondering whether you can prepare for the NLSAT examination in the next 30 days? Is it possible or not? I will talk about it in today's video. Forms are open till 30th of March. If you haven't filled the NLSAT form, it is high time you must fill the form before that date. Now we will start discussing how can you effectively prepare in the next 30 days. Let's start with this video. Hi guys, I'm Ayushi, your mentor for law-based examinations, and welcome to Law Digest. Now, this examination is not about rote learning as it happened in CUET PG. It is not about legal jargons or memorizing the laws. Then what is this exam about? This exam is actually testing you with the skills that you already have. Like, think about it. If someone's talking indirectly to you, how do you understand that situation? You try to interpret what the person is trying to say. That is what you do. That is your part A of the examination, wherein you have comprehension based questions, and from those you understand what the author is trying to say. Then the other part would be again something that happens in our daily lives, that you are given a situation, you are in a dilemma, and you have to think logically and morally and come to a conclusion. That is your part B, which has your subjective answer writing and essays. So effectively, you already have those skills, just that you need to sharpen that. And I feel that the next 30 days is a lot of time that is already present with you to prepare with it. How to go about it? See, if we say 30 days, then we have 4 weeks, right? In week 1 and week 2, what you should ideally be doing is that practice your comprehension skills, read comprehension passages, practice those passages, understand what the author is trying to say, sharpen up your skills of interpretation. And also, as far as part B is concerned, take up the situations that are given. You can pick past year papers, you can pick up sample papers. If you want further help with questions, we've given you a lot of practice questions in our NLSAT module, which is available on our website. That also you can check to prepare for this examination. And yes, students who keep asking me, is 1 month enough for that module? I would say that make most of the practice sets that are given. At this point of time, it is practice what you need for the examination, and there's a lot of practice that we are giving to you. Otherwise, if you find any other material you're comfortable with, just practice in the next week 1 and week 2 for 2 weeks. Give good amount of practice to this examination. Like I said, sharpen your comprehension skills, sharpen your reasoning skills, write down the answers, come to conclusions, give arguments, work on all these things. Then in week 3, you can do your mock tests. You will already be looking at past year papers. You must also, every third day, you must give a mock to see that how far are you covered with your practice and what do you need to work upon. You can work on your time management, because this examination is also a lot about managing your time. So you will get into practice with that. Then in the same week, you see where am I lacking, what is the problem that I'm facing, and then you work on that. If you're not able to build arguments, find out why am I not able to do that and work on those things. Also, like in our mocks, we give you suggestive answers. You can read those. Your mocks will be evaluated by me. I do check the mocks, give my feedback, assign you numbers so that you can see where do you stand on the leadership board in comparison to other students who are preparing for the same examination. Remember, the competition is tough for this examination in the sense that there are 120 seats. So you must be aware of your performance also. Then in week 4, you just get down to revision, look at the mocks again, look at the questions that you practiced again, see how far were you answering them right, see what you've missed. Like in the practice sets that we've given, we give you suggestive answers also, that how could you write the answer for this question. So you can compare your answer from there and see that what are you lacking. With this clarity, I'm sure you will be able to deal with this examination in the next 30 days. I've also given a lot of guidance and material on our YouTube channel in the NLSAT playlist, which is available to everyone free of cost. So you must check that. I have had a video on the latest information session wherein we discussed what do they expect out of you in your answers, what are they looking for. See to it, understand what I'm trying to say, understand how this examination is, understand what is the demand of the paper, and accordingly practice. So if just one day you give to this particular understanding of the structure and then you get down to practice, the examination is very much possible. In my different videos, I've already told you how to solve part A answers and part B answers. You can check the practice with me and NLSAT playlist, wherein you will find some questions also, and you can understand how to exactly write those questions. And again, I would reiterate that yes, this the preparation for this exam is possible in the next 1 month, because this is one of the top colleges. NLSIU Bangalore is one of the top colleges, and you must not give up on this examination or miss out on this examination. You have the skills, you have to sharpen them. Just practice, give mocks, and get clarity about the examination. That is all that is required for this examination, and 1 month is good enough time to do that. With this, I will end the video. In case you have any doubts or queries, you want to know something, or anything about the video you want to know, then you can mention the same in the comment box below. We keep coming up with more videos based on legal updates, legal awareness, on your legal career. So you can subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram for that. Even the legal updates that we give you, those updates are very important for your examination, which you're already posting on our different social media platforms. So make sure that you're following us everywhere, and all the very best for your examination. Remember, 30 days is good enough time to prepare for this examination.